What's up? Good morning. Hope you guys have been having a great week so far. Once again, Shib is doing it. It's stacking some green candles together. In fact, we have back-to-back days of green. This is a great sign for Shib, especially as the broader crypto market really isn't doing a whole lot. You can see we're pretty much red across the board. A few things moving up, but Shib is kind of leading the pack here in the top 20 right now. And this just typically happens. You know, the rate at which Shib sold off, I think, was definitely a bit oversold. But again, we're doing that recovery. Now, again, we're trying to stay away from this fire sale range. Back down here is where I'm going to be buying heavily if we do end up getting to there. Right now, we're struggling with this range of 5078 to 5080. It's a range that historically Shib has had very strong support and resistance. You can see back in June, before we ended up creating a new yearly low, we got kind of stuck in that range for a few days. As we worked our way back up through the recovery, Shib got stuck in this range for about 2 weeks. I mean, it's a very prominent level, so I think it's something that we do need to pay attention to, guys. Now, we are still following essentially what I drew out here, this slow falling, sucky months, August, September, we're kind of following historically what crypto has done. All right. That's what people really need to realize, is that although it may seem like Shib is just kind of doing its own thing and doing not so great stuff, it's actually on par with what everything else is doing. Okay. There's not much difference there. Now, Shib is coming to a bit of a crossroads here, guys. So what we do need to see is Shib does need to hold this bottom support line, this 5072. If it does end up reaching down there, what you need to realize is anywhere down in this bottom of this descending wedge is possible, even past this fire sale range I have Shib in. This is basically between the essentially yearly low. I'm not counting the big wick down, but between the yearly low and this support line here. But anything down here is possible if we do get some bearish movement. Now, BTC is doing something a little bit bearish right now. So hopefully we can flip around and move to the upside. But right now, this, like I've been saying, it's creating a new high, new low, new high, new low, new high, new low, or higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, right? I almost messed that up. And we sit barely above this previous low here. Now, we're also coming to the point where on the daily, we might be getting a little bit of a bearish cross here. So I think this cross is going to hit. I mean, we'd have to have a massive spike in BTC to like 36K in a day in order for this to not happen. So there is some bearish stuff going on with BTC right now. It doesn't surprise me because honestly, this month again just typically sucks for crypto. So again, I wouldn't be surprised if we continue to follow this, move to the downside here, but eventually this does stop, guys. Okay. This continued bearish momentum does eventually stop. And again, we have a few catalysts that could start to flip things around. I don't know if we get a full bearish confirmation here. I mean, I think as we get a bearish cross here on the 50 and 200 day moving average, we're also probably going to see a recovery on BTC as well. So that's kind of how I think things are going to play out. It's going to be kind of weird times. The charts are going to be kind of doing strange things, I believe here. Obviously we have a CPI report, we have FOMC meeting. There's some good things coming ahead. Obviously Shib's got some great developments still in the works that'll be launched here very soon. So this is all stuff that we just need to pay attention to, kind of sit on our hands and just kind of wait. You can obviously trade this or do what you want. Me personally, I'm just continuing to accumulate. I think Bone actually hit my level. Let me just go back and look here, because I think Bone was at 98 cents yesterday. I saw it flip back up. Yeah. Or $1. That's what it was. No, it was 99 cents. There you go. I thought I saw it tick below, but you guys didn't see that. There you go. It would help if I was showing my chart, right? 99 cents, it's sitting right about $1. I like Bone where it's at right now. I like Shib where it's at. Leash is doing some great things too. These are the opportunities that we talk about a bunch. These are the opportunities that we look for when we can really add to our bag before prices begin to get wild. So I appreciate you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Definitely show your support below. Let me know your thoughts, but I hope you have a wonderful Wednesday, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.